Yo, these joints right here were a must. I had to have them. Not only I had to have one, your boy had to have two. Let's go ahead and get into today's unboxing, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. It's always greatly appreciate when you guys pull up, man. So if you are new, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for you, boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. And real quick before we even, go any further, if I got any boxing fans out there, man, I want you guys to let me know, who are you going for in tomorrow's crazy matchup? We got Errol Spence versus Terrence Crawford. It's gonna be crazy action packed. But if I got any fight fans watching today's video, that'd be super dope. Go ahead and comment who you think is gonna win. Comment Team Crawford or Team Spence down below. I gotta see some. I wanna see what y'all energy like, a little bit prior to the fight happening tomorrow, man. All right, man, so we just got a crazy release, a couple of weeks ago. We ain't gonna spoil it just yet. We got a crazy release, a sneaker that nobody can get early, a sneaker that everybody been wanting all year since we got, hip of the release was actually happening. And yeah, your boy got lucky. Not only to get one pair, but I had to get two pair. This was a double up worthy pair, along with what I think is a sneaker, Air Jordan 1 or Air Jordan 3 Reimagines. Had to get two pairs, and these right here was a must for your boy as well, man. So I want real quick, you guys let me know, where are you guys, must double up cops? I know for me, like I said, it was Reimagine 3s, and this is the second one right here. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro, without further delay. Go ahead and pop the box open real quick, hold on. We can't spoil it yet, bro. I know you guys probably been skipped through the video, but if you haven't, let me know what your, double ups are this year. I know a lot of people doubled up on the Reimagine 3s, UNC 5s, Spider-Verse, Air Jordan 1s, another couple, dope Air Jordans that we have gotten. So, yeah, once I show you the box, they're gonna know exactly what it is. Go ahead and build the box real quick, and yes, sir, you guys see it, bro. We got the all baby blue, University blue, Carolina blue all over the box. And you guys see it, bro. I only got one pair, but your boy had to double up at the black Nike up top. And fish colorway reads Air Jordan Retro High OG University blue, black, and white. And of course, we got these bad boys in a size 9. Let's go ahead and flip the top, because y'all know exactly what they are, man. And yes, sir, we have them, bruh. Air Jordan 1 UNC toes, bruh. Super beautiful. I really like the sneaker. Like, I know prior to the drop, I told you guys I wasn't that excited for that team UNC baby blue sneakers. And then these joints came in, and I pretty much shut myself up, because I seen them in hand, seen the quality, seen the colorway. I said, bro, these joints is gas, and this is a double up worthy pair, you feel me? And then of course, you guys know, you got the extra laces inside, nothing too special. But me, I'm gonna go ahead and get some cell laces or some white laces to throw in here. I think it really pops really nicely. And yeah, man, here we have them, bro. Our double up of the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes. So now your boy has 1 2 rock right here. We already been wearing these a couple times and 1 to stock for a while. I told y'all, I really think the resale will go up on these. Like, I know it's kind of low right now, but I just feel like that UNC colorway is just one of its own. Like, every time they throw UNC on, most silhouettes, ones, 11s, you feel me? What other silhouette? If you throw UNC 3s, like if you throw that UNC baby on the right silhouette, it's definitely gonna grow. And I went back and checked all, I'm gonna put the double up down real quick. I went back and checked all the UNC Air Jordan 1, base sneakers, and most of them are going for over 300 plus. Like, that's just the low side. And these are, recently released. It dropped what they said, like 1 million some pairs or whatever, the UNC toes. But I definitely think once the pairs are selling out, once all these restocks is done this year, after sneakers day, that this price will just skyrocket. I'm telling y'all, we're gonna come back to this video next year. They're gonna say, yo, your boy Da Vinci was really telling the truth. And I'm already knowing what this is gonna do. I already know it's good quality Air Jordan 1. You got UNC on them. You got the black toe box. Like, bruh, Nike did an excellent job with these. I feel bad myself, you know what I'm saying? I was talking trash prior to the drop, but now that we got them in hand, hey, your boy's really loving them. And I know a lot of people was asking me, if you hit on the exclusive access, can you hit on the original date of the drop? Yes, you can. So this pair came straight from Nike sneakers, and this pair came right from Nike sneakers. This pair just came from the exclusive access that or the shock drop. Remember the whole little shock drop, the 10-minute window to let everybody know about the shock drop? I got this pair on that day, and on the release date a couple of days ago, your boy hit for the double up, man. So now we can dispel all those rumors. We can stop talking about it. I didn't answer all your question, you feel me? Yes, you can hit on both times, exclusive access, shock drop, and the original release date of whatever sneaker Nike is dropping, man. So again, man, please let me know if this was a double up worthy pair. Told y'all, for me it was. First, I wasn't going too crazy over it. You guys know I was going super crazy over the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement. I don't even know where the pair is right here. Hold on 1 second. Here we go, bro. Here we have them, bro. You got this pair right here, and of course you guys see the one behind me. I just feel like these was an instant double up, and now the second double up of the year, the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes, and I do feel like the black toes might be a double up as well, because I feel like I'm gonna wear these a lot, bro. Like it's a very, very easy colorway to rock. Black toe box, got the red hit on the back. Just a crazy black toe OG1 low. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to double up on these things as well. And of course, the Air Jordan 12 cherries. Cherries, I know I said flu game yesterday video, but the cherries is another one that's gonna get doubled up on. And hopefully I keep my energy right with the Air Jordan 11 DMPs. I know I told y'all them things looking trash, but I seen some recent pictures, and them things are looking all right. So yeah, man, I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new, especially if you like what you've seen so far, and go ahead and hit the notification bell and leave a huge like on today's video, man. All my social media links will be down below in the description box, along with Outright Brand. You guys can save 10% off using my code TheVintage. Got a bunch of stuff, bunch of gear to go with your sneakers. Go ahead and check them out and tell me your boy TheVintage sent you. Put a little portion on feed over the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes, especially for those people out there that's still waiting to pay resale. I'm telling y'all, don't wait too much longer. That price gonna keep trickling up. The next thing you know, you're gonna be SOL. Yeah, man, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's video. Air Jordan 3 Palominos. We're gonna see what the things hitting for, man. Peace.